How to fix Govee LED lights not turning on. First, check the power. Make sure the power adapter is firmly connected to both the controller and the wall outlet. Govee says to check that the adapter meets the strip's required voltage. Step 2. Check the strip connections. Check the connector between the controller and the LED strip. Make sure the pins are properly aligned and fully inserted. Govee specifically says incorrect pin connections can prevent the strip from working. Step 3. Unplug the lights. Unplug the strip from power and leave it disconnected for 10 minutes, then plug it back in. Govee specifically recommends this as a troubleshooting step. Step 4. Reset the LED strip. With the strip powered on, hold the power button on the controller while pressing the middle button 4 times. Govee lists this as a reset procedure for several of his strip light models. Step 5. Reconnect it in Govee Home. Open Govee Home, My Devices, then select your Govee product, and then reconnect it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the app has the required permissions. Step 6. If it's a Wi-Fi model, check the Wi-Fi. Govee says its Wi-Fi strip lights use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If the strip won't connect, check the Wi-Fi password, signal strength, and router connection. Also make sure you're not using 5G Wi-Fi. Step 7. Test the lights. Try turning the lights on using the physical controller, then through Govee Home. If they still don't light after checking the power and connections, the controller, power supply, or strip itself may be faulty. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.